In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of your shopping experience on Etsy. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or brand new to the platform, these instructions will help you browse, select, and even make inquiries about items in no time. First of all, let's start by heading over to the Etsy homepage. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in etsy.com into the address bar. As the page loads, you'll be greeted by a colorful display of products, highlighting the creativity and originality that the marketplace is known for. Take a moment to browse through the homepage and familiarize yourself with its layout. This is your gateway to a world of unique, handmade, and vintage items. Next, once you're on the homepage, you'll find a section called Home Favorites. This is a curated collection of some of the most popular home items on Etsy. Clicking on Home Favorites will take you to a new page filled with a diverse selection of products, ranging from decor to furniture. It's a fantastic place to start if you're looking for inspiration, or just want to see what's trending in the world of home goods. After diving into Home Favorites, you'll likely find a particular item that catches your eye. Go ahead and click on that desired item. This will bring up a detailed page where you can find more information about the product, including descriptions, customer reviews, and additional photos that give you a better sense of what you're considering purchasing. Once you've decided that this is the product you'd like to purchase or learn more about, you'll see an option to shop this item. Clicking on this link allows you to proceed with the buying process, taking you closer to bringing that perfect find into your home. This button is your direct path to making a purchase on Etsy. Now, if you have any questions or need further clarifications before making your purchase, Etsy gives you the opportunity to communicate directly with the seller. Simply click on Message Seller on the items page. This feature is incredibly helpful for asking questions about customization options, shipping details, or any other specific inquiries you might have. It's a great tool for ensuring that you have all the information you need before making a confident and informed decision. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly explore and engage with Etsy's vast collection of unique items, maximizing your shopping experience. Remember, Etsy is all about creativity and personal connection, so take your time to explore and enjoy the process of discovering truly special finds. Happy shopping!